Welcome to the grill, and tonight it's pork chop night.
Come on in, grab a plate and hold on to your appetite. It's time for Floyd at the Grill.
Ready to season our chops, and we got a couple of nice chops from Publix bone-in pork chops, and we're just going to use two ingredients here. We've got the Buc-ee's steak and chop rub. That's a mixture of seasonings that I picked up from Buc-ee's, and it does have a little bit of heat in there too, and a little bit of seasoning, a little salt and coriander, peppers, all different kinds. And then we're also going to put a little bit of Papa's Pepper Extreme on there, just a slight dusting, just to get a little extra heat on the chops. We'll rub that in there, flip them over, and do it on the other side, and then they'll be ready to go on the grill. Ready to get these chops on. Our grill is just under 500 degrees, about 475, and we're going to do some direct heat with these chops. So we'll throw them on this side, let them go for a few minutes, and then flip them over. All right, it's been a few minutes, so we're going to take our chops and flip them around. Right now they're looking really good on our grill. Got good grill marks, good char there. So we'll flip them over and let the other side get a nice char as well. All right, time to take our pork chops off the grill, and I already probed them with our digital thermometer, and they're well above the 145 degree range for doneness. So we're going to take them off and let them rest, and then it'll be time to give them a taste. Let's take a look on the other side there. Yep, very good doneness, very juicy too. So I can't wait to take a taste of these. All right, time to give our pork chops a taste, and take a look at that sear on there. It looks really good. Got a good color to it. Let's take a good bite into that. Oh my, the seasonings are just right. Papa's Pepper just gave it a little bit of heat, but just the right amount of heat. And that's the other white meat. Yeah, it is quite tasty. I'm gonna get some Southwest corn, maybe some bird's eye Southwest corn, and put it with a lot of different sides, green sides. I was thinking of either Brussels sprouts or that Southwest corn, but that came out really, really good. Don't forget your favorite beverage. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Hope to see you next time.
Thanks for watching Floyd at the Grill, a Hilltop Media production.